What up guys? Wow, the quality is real different today. I got Danny's camera because he went back to Germany, got some new gear. So for now, I'm gonna keep this camera all to myself. I'm staying in Tuzla right now. We have been staying here for like 4 days. We came here actually because Danny needed to take a flight here. This is the third largest city in the country, and they have some like budget airlines fly through this city. They have like this old town, quite small but very nice and cute, some old buildings, and people are like quite chill here. So I think it would be nice to walk around a little bit if you come here to take a flight. A lot of locals told us in the north actually the nature is also super sick, but unfortunately I didn't really get a chance to see that. But me personally, I do like south a little bit more because they have a lot of mountains and also those like old houses as well. After a few days in Tuzla, it's time for me to go back to Sarajevo again. But this time, just myself. The bus was around €12. Not so cheap, huh? It was about 3 hours drive. I was listening to Matthew McConaughey's new book, Green Light, all the way. It was super nice. Nice time because I want to include you as well. Hi everybody. This is Layla. Layla is a local girl. I know her from a trip to Albania. If you haven't watched that video, I highly recommend. During that trip, I told her that after Danny left, I will stay in Sarajevo for a few days. And she was very generous to offer me that I could stay with her for free for a few days. And this is her making breakfast for me. So we're now just come out from Leila's place. We're going to the tallest building in Sarajevo, I think, right? I think it's the tallest building.
Yes.
How do you call that building? Do you know?
Alas, Twist Tower.
Okay. So on the 35th floor, they have a cafe. So we decided to, have a coffee there and chat a little bit, share some different culture. I think it'll be really nice. So now we're gonna walk there. It's about like 50 minutes walk or 10. Yeah, let's go. So this is my companion today, Layla. Let's go. So today is the first day of May. Layla told me basically all of the shops supposed to be closed, but we checked and this cafe is gonna be open, but we just walked by this like penny plus. Yesterday we came here, we did some grocery shopping. It was so busy, and today there was like no single soul is here. It's so quiet today. Yeah. I'm so small. Such a small person. Oh, this is nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're going up. You go first. Yeah. Wow, that's so nice. Oh my god. I wish I took Danny here. Wow, that's terrific. Okay guys, so I have mentioned this a lot in the videos. I talk about like no matter where you go, even in a very local cafe or you come to the place like this, like a viewpoint, I mean still, you know, everything's still charged the same, so that's what I really like about it being here. Alright guys, so just checked in this apartment. Finally, I'm gonna have the space all to myself. This apartment I got from Airbnb. It's crazy good location. You go downstairs, to the left it's the very busy shopping street, and to the right has all of the cafes and bars, and then 2 minutes walk to the old town. So it's crazy good location. And this apartment is super neat and clean. I have 2 bedrooms, but I wasn't really use this one, so I turned it into kind of like my office. And my favorite part of this apartment is they have this huge window here, and it's so quiet. I love to sit here and listen to the birds in the yard and work as well. And now let me show you a little bit inside. Let's go. So you walk in the door, you have a hanger here, and then you can put your suitcase. And then we come to the first bedroom, which is where I'm sleeping right now. And to the right, you have a small table, TV, and over there that I was standing right there, so super nice. I really like that room, just so many lights. Then we have air conditioner. This room just fantastic. And then we go to the kitchen. Kitchen is very small, but I love it. You know, just for myself, it's big enough. So yeah, they prepared everything for you. And then we come here. We have a bathroom. So now you're probably wondering how much I pay for this apartment. Well, I paid this one for 26 euro per night. Sometimes always people ask you, 26 for how long? For like a month or a year? Of course for one day, what do you think? Actually, before we went to Tuzla, we also booked apartment from them as well. It's actually a company, so they have quite a few different apartments, mostly located in the very center of Sarajevo. Fairly good price. Last time it was 23 euro for another apartment, and this one is 26. I will link them in my description box, so if you come to Sarajevo, don't forget to check them out. I really like them, always solve the problem super fast. Have cleaning lady come to clean the common area every day as well. And the other day she even bought me some like coffee because I booked, you know, for 5 nights. It was super sweet. Ooh. Okay guys, so just wanted to wrap up this video and just wanted to share with you guys some of my reality recently. You know, now I finally got a space all to myself. I'm like, wow, that's a relief. That's so nice. I mean, last time when Danny went back to Germany was almost a year ago. So for the past 365 days, I was with this guy basically all the time. Like when you spend time with somebody 24/7, you can really get exhausted and you just so much want your own space and time. For him as well. But you know, due to our situation, it's very hard to deliver that. So sometimes you just have to suck it up, you know, pull yourself together. And now we can finally have some space to ourselves. And then I checked in this apartment. I start to feel this loneliness grow. But sad of me. I think it mostly actually related to because as we're right now, this moment, we still have no idea where we're gonna meet and when we're gonna meet. I'm not gonna be long, you know, like 2 weeks or 3 weeks maximum, but still, like for me, it's like I am now in Sarajevo, in Bosnia and Herzegovina, all by myself. So I do have this concern about where do I stay. The reason why I booked this apartment for 5 days is because I do want to give us this window to think and to book flights. I don't want to book for too long, but still, if you don't book it too long, then you need to think about, so where next, you know. So every day I wake up, I start to do the research. I start to look about countries, I start to look about apartments. So I do have this anxiety in me, and it's a little bit hard to control my emotions sometimes, but I'm working on that. Start to try to wake up super early. I try every day now. I wake up around like 6 a.m, come to this sunny room to do some exercise, listening to Matthew McConaughey. Oh yeah, mostly is try to work myself together and nothing else. That's it. Yeah, besides that, in the next video I will show you guys some really nice shots about Sarajevo. You know, when we just arrived here, it was snowing, it was super cold, it was dead. It was in the very beginning of their 3rd or 2nd lockdown, so the streets were super empty and I really didn't like it. That's why we kind of skipped it to Mostar even. But now, wow. Sorry, Sarajevo. You're really nice. So in the next video I will show you guys. So if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe because you don't want to miss the next video. And also join me on my Instagram. There I share my daily life everywhere around the world. See you there. Bye bye.